So hey guys, let's start with the 10th question of LeetCode Mark Challenge. The question is integer to Roman. Okay, let's read the problem statement. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols given as this. Okay, this symbol is for 1, this symbol is for 5, this symbol is for 10, and similarly these are the data given. Okay, here are some examples given. For example, two is written as 1 plus 1. This is 1 plus concatenation of this string again this string means 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, just two ones added together. Okay, it is also written here. And for 12 it is saying 10 1 1. Yes, this is 10 1 and 1, which is simply 10 plus 2. Okay, the number 27 is written as 20 plus 7. This is 10 plus 10 20, and this is 7. Okay, let's next check. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. Yes, okay, it is also right. Okay, what this statement says, if say we have number 525, then obviously larger number is written first, that is 500, then plus 25, then plus 20 plus 25 plus 5. Okay, however the numerals of 4 is not written like this. Okay, instead the number 4 is written as this. So this is like 5 minus 1. Okay, this is 5 and minus 1, and it is written as smallest is written first and a bigger is written later. Okay, this is the convention here. Also for 9 it is the convention here. So okay, 1 can be placed before 5 and 10 to make 4 9. Okay, this is the conventions here. Okay, how to make the numbers in the way you can see here. For 4 9 40 90 400. Let's better start understand with example. Okay, let's take this example. Take this example 9. Okay, first is 9. How can I write this? If I see from this, let's copy this. It will be better for me. Okay, so 9 can be written as this 5. Okay, 5 plus 4, and here it is also written 1 can be placed before 5 to make 4. Okay, so what I will do is I will create another 4 for 4. Okay, so now our answer would be this. Okay, no, we can also create like this 10 minus 1. Okay, I'm going wrong. Okay, 10 minus 1, and this is also written here. If 1 can be placed before 10 to make 9. So what I will do is I will place 1 first and then 10. So I will store this in this data, which is this is the symbol, this is the string symbol for this 9. Okay, let's take another example. Let's say 11. Okay, 11 can be written as 10 plus 1, and we know both the Roman form of 10 and 11. So for 10 this is 10, and for 1 this is 1. So this is pretty simple. Let's take another example. So 17. 17 can be written as 10 plus 7. Okay, but we don't have data for 7. So what I will do is I will again break the 7, which is 10 plus 5 plus 2. Now we can clearly see, we can also write 2 as 1 plus 1, because we have the data of 1. We have the Roman data of 1. So this is some like 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So it can be written as 10, okay, 5 1 1. Okay, so this is the right answer for it. Next, let's take the example 57. How can we do this? we can see here 50 plus 7. Okay, we have the data of 50. For 50, this is L given. And for 7, I already calculated here. What is this? Okay. 5 plus 1 plus 1, which equals to L V I I. Okay. Let's take a bigger example. Let's say this is the 20. This year is 2021. 2021. So how can we break this? We can break this like this: 2000 plus 21. Okay, but we don't have the data for 2000, but we have the data for 1000, which is M. Okay, so I will break 2000 further. So 1000 plus 1000, and again 21 can be break into 20 plus 1, 20 plus 1. Also 20 can be break as 10 plus 10, as we have the data of 10 plus 10. Okay, so 10 plus 10, which is now 1000 mm. Okay, and for 10 xx, and this is I. So this is it for it. Okay, let's try to implement this in the question. Basically what I'm trying to do here, that I am breaking each with this set. Okay, this set, what set? This set is given, and we have to break like this. And also we can add some data from here. X can be placed before L to make 50, and before C to make 90. So let's add this into this data. XL makes it 40, and XC makes it 90. Okay, again we have few data. How can we break this? Okay, C can be placed before D to make 500, and before M to make 900. Okay, so C D, this will be 500, sorry, 400, and CM, this becomes 900, because we can see here M is 1000 and C is 100. So 1000 minus 100 equals to 900. This is the convention which is given in this question. I am not assuming by myself. Okay, these are the conventions given, and these are also these are the data given. Okay, so how many data we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 data given here. So using all this data, we can create our answer. Let's take another example. Let's take from simple example. Let's say example 1994. Okay, let's take 1994. How can we break this? 1000 plus 900 plus 900 plus 90 plus 4. Okay, now we can see we have the data for 1000, we have the data for 900, we have the data for 90, and we have the data for 4. So helping data, these are the helping data, which is for 1000 we have M. Okay, so I will concatenate M. Then for 900 I will concatenate M. For 900, what is this? This is Cn. So this is Cn. I am concatenating right now. Or then for 90, what I have? I have XC. Okay, this is so XC. Then for 4, I also have that data, which is this. So let's put it together. MCM XC. Let's match with our example. Our sample output, is it satisfying our condition or not? So we can see here MCM XC 1B. So it is satisfying our condition. So I think our approach is right. So now we can code. Okay, how can we code? Let's see. Try to store helping integers Romans in descending order. So we have to store these all helping data in descending order. How? First 1000, then 900, then 500, then 400, then after 100, then 90, then 450, then 40. Okay, we will store in descending order. Then check for the helping integer which is less than number. Okay, this is 1994, and I will check in this data which is a small first, because we are in descending order, so 1000 comes first and it is less. So I will first, let's do here 1994. I will first subtract 1000. After what I will get 994. Okay, I got 994. So next it will not come here. Then it will move to the next helping integer which is less, because 1000 is greater than 994. So then it will move to 900 and it will subtract 900. So 900, after subtracting 994, I have 94. Again it will, we see that 900 is greater, and also 400 is greater, 100 is greater, 50 is, sorry, 50 is less, but we can see here 90 is less. So I will subtract 90 first, and what I will get is 4. Okay, after getting 4, we can see here only this is satisfying it. So I will subtract -4 and I will get 0. So we have to subtract until num is greater, until greater than equals to num, and we have to make it 0 so that we can store in it. Okay, what are the preparations we need to do? Create result vector to store answer. Okay, it is obvious, we have to create a answer vector, answer string. Next is create helping integers data array as well as helping Roman string array. What this statement says, helping integers data means helping integer data is this. Okay, these are the helping integer data, and helping Roman string array are what? These are type of string, and we have to we have to store this helping Roman array. Let's create it with code. Okay. Okay, first thing, what first thing was, we have to preparations, we have to create a store answer. Okay, so string answer. Okay, then what I have to do, I have to create helping integer data and helping Roman string array in all which order? Descending order. So what I will do is integer, sorry, int, let's say helping integer, now let's say integers which we are storing. This is a type of array, and I will store in descending order. First 1000 will come, then 900 will come, then 500 will come, then 400 will come, then 100 will come, then 90 will come, then 50 will come, then 40 will come, then 10 will come, then 9 will come, then 5 will come, then 4 will come, then 1 will come. Okay, we have 13 data sets. Already we have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, I think it's pretty right. And then what I will do is I will create a string array of helping Romans, which is, I say Romans. Okay, so helping Romans would be respective to these. Okay, for 1000, what was for 1000? Let's see what was for 1000. M. So similarly, I will take M here, and for 900, let's see from here. For 900, what we have? C before D, C before M. Okay, so CM. Sorry, these are the strings. M, CM. Then for 500 we have D. Then for 400, that is a C before D. So C before D, C is equals to 100. And for 100, this is C. And for 90 is X before C. And for 50 it is L. Okay, and for 40 it will be XL, and for 10 it is X, sorry, and for 9 it will be this, sorry, my mistake, and for 5, and next for 4, and next is for 1. Okay, let's check whether they are 13 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we have created our helping integer data array and Roman data array. Now next what I will do is I will check each either it is greater or not. Okay, so first I will iterate over integer array. So let's say I'm creating this, I'm iterating from I equals to 0, which is I'm starting from 1000. Next what I will do is I will check whether our num is not equals to 0. Check until our num is not equals to 0. Okay, so we have the example 1994, and we saw that 1000 is less. So what I will do is I will minus from that number. So num equals to num minus that 1000 value. That 1000 value will be integers of I, integers of 0. Okay, I is already 0, so integers of 0. Sorry, not 0. Right now 0, but I will put I here. Next what I will do is I will add my value into this answer. Okay, because I am subtracting that, then I will also need to add that 1000. So our answer gets answer plus 1000, and 1000 is what? M. So this is Romans of I. But what we see is after subtracting that, I get 900 again. Then it will move next. Okay, it is satisfying here. Again, I will go to I equals to 1. So I will put I plus plus. Okay, then it will go to our next iterator 900. It will check 994 is there. So 994 equals to, then again 994 minus 900. So I will get 94, and I will add this in 900 in this Roman. Then it will become what? MCM. I already have it. Then after that 90. Okay, it will check until num is not equal to 0 and also greater than. So I will check until num is greater than equals to integers of I. That is the case we are missing here. So I will check until that, and this all will go inside it. So what it will do is it will check until our num is greater than integers of I. So 994 was greater than 900 and less than 1000. So it gets I gets into this position, and it subtracts it until it is less than 900. So 94 is less, then it will move from this loop, and I plus plus, and then go to 500. It checks num is 94 and it is not greater than 500. So it will move again next 400. 400 is also greater. 400 is also less than num, which is 94. Okay, 100 is also greater than 94, but 90 is less. So it will move into this while loop. And then num equals to 94 minus 90, which equals to 4. Then we will get 4. Okay, and I will add 90 here. So this will be CM. Sorry, XC. Okay. After that we have 4. So then it will after 90 it will move to 50, which is greater again. 40 greater, 10 greater, 9 greater, 5 greater, but 4 is equal. So 4 is equal, then it will move into this loop and it will subtract from here. And what it will get? 4 minus 4 equals to 0. So we have 0, and lastly we can add 4 here. But there is one example we can explain here. 2021. Okay, let's just say 2021. Then it will start from here. It will subtract 1000. Okay, 2021 is greater than 1000. Okay, so it will subtract 1000, then what we have? 1021 after subtracting 1000, and I will add here. So 1000 would be what? M. Now next it will come again in this loop, because it will not move to the next iterator, because our 1021 is greater than 1000. So it will move until in this loop. So again 1000 will be subtracted and we have 21, and we will add this to this answer, which is M. Okay, so we have 21 left, and it will move until it is less. So 10 is less, then again it will subtract minus 10, then it will be 11. So I will add 10 here. Next what it will check, also 10 is less than 11, so again it will subtract 10 here, and what I will get 1. So I will add 10 also here, and then we got 1, and these 9, 5, 4 are greater, but 1 is equal, so I will subtract minus 1, and then this will be 0. So this time I will add 1. So our required answer would be this for 2021. Okay, I think our approach is right. What you have to do, I have to just return our answer. Let's check whether it is right or not. Okay, it is satisfying for it. Let's check for 2021, which was a very good example. Okay, it is satisfying here. Let's take another example. Let's say 2021 2255. Okay, let's take a simple example, 5050. 5050. Okay, for 5050, what would be the answer? 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000? No, sorry, we don't have data given here, because the range is until 3999. So I will take until 3999. So 3999. What would be the answer here? So for this, it would be for 3000, it will be MMM, and for 900, it will be CM, and for 90, it will be XC, and for 9, it would be 1x. So it will be our answer. Let's check whether it is answer or not. Let's cut from here and let's check our answer satisfies or not for 3999. Okay, you can see here MMMCM XC 1x. MMMCM. So it is satisfying. Let's submit it. Okay, so it got accepted. The question was pretty clear. Okay, you can see these steps and you can try this question and take few more examples and try to solve it by yourself. Okay, thank you.